So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create this wet glass effect in Photoshop. So to begin, I've got my image open in Photoshop, and my tip is to use a lighter image as it works better for this effect. And we're going to start by opening up our layers and select your image layer. We're going to right click and we're going to duplicate this layer. And with our duplicated layer selected, I'm going to right click this and I'm going to convert this to a smart object. And now we're going to add a bunch of effects. So go up to your filter and we're going to add a Gaussian blur. I'm going to have that set to around 12-13 pixels, but you can adjust this how you like. Again, let's go up to filter. This time we're going to add some noise. And I'm going to have my noise around 7. So we have this slight grain effect to our image. Press OK. And finally, we're going to go up to filter one more time, open up our filter gallery. And here, under distort, we're going to select this glass effect. And it's going to give this nice sort of rippling glass texture to our image. So for my image, I have the distortion set to 6, the smoothness set to 3, and the texture set to frosted. So this looks good for me, so I'm going to press OK. Now we're going to create a mask, and we're simply just going to select the brush tool, and make sure your brush's hardness is set to 100%, and the color set to black. And now we can simply draw whatever we want to draw. So I've got a little smiley face here. And as you can see, it's a little bit hard to see. So what we're going to do is double click our duplicated layer here. And we're going to give it a color overlay. We're going to have the blend mode set to multiply, color set to black, and opacity set to 20%. Now press OK, and as you can see, it's a lot clearer. So I've drawn my little basically finger drawing in the condensation on the window. So that's the look that we're trying to go for here. And so what I'm going to do is now I'm going to create a selection. I'm going to draw a selection across my whole image. And in your contextual taskbar, we're going to create a generative fill. So if this isn't showing for you, just go up to Window, scroll down and make sure you've got contextual taskbar selected. And so we're going to click generative fill here, and I'm just going to type in my prompt. So I'm going to write small condensation drops around the glass edge falling vertically. And I've got my image generator set to Gemini 3 with Nano Banana Pro, and you can find this under the partner models. So once you've done that, we are just going to click generate, and that should generate some nice little water droplets over your image. And so if you don't like the first generation, you can always click generate again to see a different version. So this one looks a lot better to me. It's got more little water droplets going over our image. And so that is how to create this wet glass effect in Photoshop. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more design content.